What's up, everybody? Hello, and thank you for coming back and watching more of my content as I do unboxing and building things for you. Today, I have another Fun Memories bookshelf. You might remember the other bookshelves that you might see behind me that I got from Fun Memories, and also another set of shelves that I did a couple of weeks ago. This one is a 4-tier shelf. It comes in white and I think a couple of other colors. But I'm gonna do a time lapse so you guys can watch me put it together, and then you'll see me install it in just a little bit. Peace. Alright, so as you can see, it took me less than 5 minutes to put it together. Now it's time to go install it. And just like that, I have a 4-tier shelf right here in my bedroom for my wife to be able to put stuff on, and for my daughter as well. Thanks so much for watching.